So I will be teaching you how to post on your Pinterest account, how to create a Pinterest account. So this is what you will do. The first thing you have to do is to go to your Pinterest. Here is our Pinterest feed. So you go to your profile. From your profile you go to your creator hub. So you click on your creation, then you tap one of your design, then you click next. Okay, now you put your title, your description, your link, and your board. These are the 4 things that you put here before you can create. So what you will do now is to go to your ChatGPT. So type how to fix notification. How to fix notification on Android phone. Then you write me CEO title and description for the above title. That it should be click emotional triggered with hook and CTA. Then you wait so that ChatGPT will create that for you. So you come here, then you copy the title. This is the title. You copy the title, you go to your Pinterest account, then you paste the title here, then you go back to your description, you copy your description, you come to your Pinterest account, you paste it here, then you press this one, your link, you go to your YouTube studio, go to content, so you look for the video, that you put the link. So see the link that we are going to put to that our account. So you copy it, then you go to your Pinterest account, you paste it here, then you pick a board. These are some of the board in my Pinterest account. So this board now, fixed Android notification not working. That is the board for the one that I'm creating. So I will click it. So I'm done with everything here. Then I will press create for it to publish. Your pin published. I've published my pin. That is all about Pinterest. So if you want to check whether it have gone through, you go back, you refresh it, then you see it. Look at it here, the first one.